This is just a thing for assignment for part 2. I created a contact information page. So over here we have some criteria to fill out. You have name, email address, and some questions to fill out. So if we test it out, this put some test, and then when we click on this, it has a drop down selection, so we can either click one of these. And for location preference, we can select either one or more. So if you wanted to click Edmund and you hold the control key, you could click Norman as well. Both that, and you can also leave us a message. Alright, when you submit it, the message will pop out. So thank you for contacting us. We will get in touch with you. And then there's a home button to press on. And then the other thing I added on was that when you are signed out, you're not able to see the buy button to purchase anything. But when we sign back in, the button appears again. So that's my creative work.